to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing, and this one's a special one. This one is the Mega Beauty Collection, which, smallish box, but that's okay, because what's in it is amazeballs. So, I don't know that there's any booklet or anything in here, so I think we're just going to reach in and pull stuff out and show off what all's here. Don't even remember what this cost. I think it was something like 45, 55 bucks, something in there, for all the stuff in here, which is honestly a pretty good deal. So, right on top, we have from Peter Thomas Roth, the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. So obviously, it's a sample size, but just to even be able to try Peter Thomas Roth anything, given how expensive that stuff is, I feel honored. So, we've got that. Same with Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Like, I am quite positive the real thing is bigger than that. But I also think I've got like a couple samples. So between them, you know, between them, we might have something here. This I'm stoked for. This is full size. It's another Ofra highlighter. And it's actually got 3 colors in this one instead of just 1. Yeah, this is from the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials collab, and this is a highlighter called Everglow. So it's got these 3 shades in it, and that lightest one is like the closest to what I always lean towards with Ofra and have a bunch of different highlighters in this shade of. But I'm actually pretty excited about this one too. And then this guy, I think I could just like use as an eyeshadow, frankly. But yeah, it's really pretty. I cannot wait to start playing with that guy. So, then we have from Akar Skin, their Pure Lip Restoration. This is actually the second one of these I've gotten from Allure. Still need to review it, but now I've got 2. It's just this little bitty thing. A little tin, very similar to Carmex, just like that, except that you don't have to use it on your lips. You can use this just as like a universal balm anywhere on your body that really needs it. So it looks like this. Little alarming, sure, but it's good stuff. It's good stuff. It smells a little bit citrusy, which is kind of cool too. So, but it's not like fragrance. I think it's honestly just the ingredients. And there's a little bit of oiliness even just on here, but if that gives you a hint of just how much hydration is in there, yeah, that. So, we've got that. Put that over here. This I don't know how I feel about. This is from St. Tropez. It's their Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. Being in a mist, I am terrified I won't get even coverage on my face, and I'll come out looking splotchy and stupid, so I might do a test run, like, on my legs or something. And there's probably only enough to do the legs, and frankly, I'd rather know what I'm getting into before doing something like that to my face. See how long it takes to fade, all that good stuff, you know, so. This is definitely a sample size, but itty bitty 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 baby. This is a little Sunday Riley Ice, what was it? The Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. So it's literally filled to the brim though. So you do get about as much bang for your buck as humanly possible in this little package. And then, I think I've got a few of these now. It's one of the Way hair care products, and this is their texturizing hairspray. And I think each one I've gotten so far has all come from Allure. We've also got from Akar Skin their Balance Toner. Comes in a little bottle like this. It's a glass bottle, so careful with it, my dudes. Excited to try that out. From NYX Cosmetics, we have the Lip Lingerie in the color Liply. So it's a fairly neutral shade. So, and for me, it's just a little darker than my natural color. So, I mean, it shouldn't be like anything crazy, I don't think. But I'm still excited to use it. And this guy. Oh, we have Allure Geller. This is their Ink Credible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Rose Gold. Oh, I didn't realize it was in a color. I thought it was going to be black. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Careful. Let's not F it up. Look at it. Look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty, my dudes. Okay, careful. Don't gouge it. Don't miss. Okay, got it. Do we have a sharpener? We do! Okay, again, you guys who are from around here on this channel know I always get a kick out of the ones that have the built-in sharpener. I'm lame like that. They have not lost the novelty for me. Okay, this is from Appeal, and it's their Ultra Creme lipstick in... what is the color? Does it say? It's gotta say somewhere, right? This is insane. It's gotta say it somewhere on the thing. Made in San Jose, apparently. Let's see. In the color Muse. Okay, so the color looks like this. Do I have one of these already? Like, I know I have one from this brand, but I don't remember if the color was Muse. It sounds hella familiar, though, so it might be. I should check that before opening this, because, yeah, if it's the same one, I'll probably resell, but if not, I'll happily open, because I loved the other one that I've got of this, and just, that packaging is so Instagram-worthy. Oh my goodness. So, from Mykonos Model Co., we have the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in... what? Oh, wait! I take that back. The company name is Model Co. The palette name is Mykonos. I'm an idiot. Oh, okay. That actually worked with that liner really well. Oh, those are pretty, especially that bottom one. Look at those! Oh, those are going to be fun to play with. And this is, like, exactly the time of year for colors like that. Oh, yes. And then Saint Tropez is the other one. What do we got? What do we got? Okay. Alright. I think they could mix and match together, too, like, between the two. Like, honestly. Those aren't bad. Alright, I'm here for it. We've got those. From the brand OC, we have the Ocean Cleanser that'll mineralize and balance. I want to say this might be full size, actually. Seaweed looks good on you. Nice. Ooh, fancy. Another glass bottle. Fancy, fancy. We're getting near the end. Okay. Trying to not knock anything off the table. From Wander Beauty, we have the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So we have, every time with the phone, I swear. The gold eye masks. I think I've got a few of these, and yet I always, like, chicken out of using them. I don't even know if they actually do anything, or if they're just fancy for the sake of being fancy, but one of these days I'm going to break down and use them. I just need a good excuse. So we've got those. And finally, last thing in here. Definitely got one of this before and was so freaked out I gave it to my mom because I was like, oh god, it doesn't contain aspirin, does it? It's a sheet mask, alright? By who? By Looks and Me. It's a Korean brand. It's their Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask. And it just, like, has such weird shit on it. the more and aspirin. It says it right here. I'm like, I don't know if that means it contains aspirin. If it does, I can't use it because I'm deathly allergic. So, but yeah, it's like reading through the ingredients list. It doesn't mention it directly, but there's a few different ingredients in here that I feel like I need to research more exclusively to know for sure if they're maybe that under a different name. But other than that, I don't know. I mean, I gave the other one away, but now I'm more curious. I'm like, but did it contain it? I don't really know. So if it doesn't, I'll use this one. But if it does, like the hydroxyacetophenone, I think was one of the ones where I was like, is that? Because if it is, I don't want to chance it. But at the same time, I feel like I've seen that pop up in other shit and been fine. So it makes me take pause. But yeah, there's a few things in here where I'm like, I am not positive. And I'm not sure I want to take that risk because, yeah, as bad as the coconut allergy is, it does not hold a candle to the NSAID allergy. Oh my god. Like, that one probably should have landed me in the ER several times over. Like, it's so bad. So I'm just like, should probably find out for 100% certain one way or the other before I even think about it. So that is probably getting shuffled off somewhere in the meantime, because frankly I'm kind of scared of it. But it is the last thing in this box, and frankly with everything else there, even if I don't use that, I'm still good with everything else that I got. It's a very good value for all the stuff that was in here, I think anyway. So, what do you guys think? Did any of you guys pick up this box set? Because this was one of the additional opt-in ones. It wasn't like the monthly one, so let me know that, as well as what would you like to see me review first, the most out of everything here. Let me know that too. As well as anything else about anything. And as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.